In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a list in Aweber. Start by logging into your Aweber account and looking for the quick menu. This is the fast navigation area that helps you jump straight to the tool you need without digging through the full dashboard. Click into the quick menu, then use the search field and type the word list. As you type, Aweber will narrow down the available options, making it easier to find the correct section. From the search results, select Manage Lists. This takes you to the area where Aweber keeps all of your existing lists organized. Take a moment to review what you see here, because this page shows all of your list names. If you already have lists set up, you can confirm you are in the right place and avoid creating duplicates with similar names. When you are ready to create a new one, click Create New List. Aweber will guide you through a short setup process. First, enter your company name and your website. These details are important because they can appear in subscriber-facing areas, and they help provide clarity and trust for the people joining your email list. Use the business name you want subscribers to recognize, and make sure your website link is accurate. Then click Next. On the next screen, you will create the identity for the list itself. Enter your list name and a description. The list name is mainly for you and your team to identify it inside Aweber, so choose something specific and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple lists for different audiences or offers. The description should briefly explain what the list is for. Keeping it clear and simple will help you stay organized later when you build forms, automations, and email campaigns. After that, click Next. Now choose your confirmation message settings. This is where you decide how subscribers confirm their subscription. Take time to select the option that matches your goals and any compliance requirements you follow. Once you have chosen your settings, click Create List. After you create the list, it will appear alongside your other lists in the Manage Lists area, ready for sign-up forms and email sends. And that is all there is to it.